Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Series 6 Apple Watch. This is the 40mm Apple Watch with the red aluminum case and the red sports band. This is what it looks like. Now, this cover is very vibrant and the red is actually a new color. And compared to the other Series 6 Apple Watch cover, it is very different. On the bottom of the cover, it says product red. So on the top box, the front has the new Series 6 Apple Watch with the new wallpaper that it comes with. And it is in the red color. On one of the sides, it says Series 6 red aluminum case 40mm, and then on the other sides, it has nothing written on it. Then on the bottom, we have the sports band. On one of the sides, it says red sport band, and on the other side, it says 40mm. And on the front, it shows the red sports band. There is this little arrow to open from. Separately, in the box for the band, there are some instructions to a website to help you set up your watch. On the front, it says Apple Watch. Here, it tells you all the instructions on how to clip your bands onto the watch. And here we have the different sizes. Now, the one on the bottom is small/medium, and the one on the top is medium/large. Personally, I like the medium-large because it just fits better. Let's take it out. And let's put this aside. Here are the bands. Now let's move this aside and get to the watch. On the inside of the top cover, there are two little pop-outs. Designed by Apple in California. There is a little product red sheet that tells you what it supports. So this color does support a cause. If you do want to go ahead and read it, here it is. Then there are some instructions. And there is the charger. And what I have noticed is that this year's Apple Watch does not come with an adapter. So if you don't have an adapter, you will have to go and get yourself one because the Apple Watch does not come with one. Finally, we have the Apple Watch. Now the watch is in a red cardboard cover. On the back, once again, it says 40mm. Now let's slide it out. Finally, I got it off. Now this cardboard is a new addition. They used to put an actual fabric on it, which I did prefer because getting the cardboard out in one piece is extremely hard. Here is the watch. Oh my gosh. So I did accidentally just drop it. There is a little scratch by the aluminum. Luckily, the glass did not break. Let's go ahead and put the bands on and then we can start setting it up. Here it is. Can I stop doing that? Okay, I don't think that was the watch. I think that was just the stainless steel pin. Here is the watch. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Start Pairing. We're gonna click Start Pairing here. Set up for myself. We're going to skip the update and continue. We're going to set up as new Apple Watch, left wrist, connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Watch analytics, share with Apple. Okay. Shared settings, okay. Bold text and size, I usually keep it on the second and then make it bold. Continue. Apple Watch passcode. We're going to create a password. For now, I'm going to put 1234 and I will change this after the video. Blood oxygen, we are going to enable. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Continue. Apple Pay, set up later. Emergency SOS, continue. Clock faces, continue. Install available apps, choose later. Apple Watch is syncing. Welcome to Apple Watch. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. This is the home screen that it gives us, so just red, set up with the color of the watch. This is what the back looks like. They changed the back up this year. I think I'm just gonna keep this one. I really like the one it comes with. Let's put it on. And I honestly really love the red color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Check out my Instagram if you guys do want to see when I upload videos because I always notify you guys there. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.